Looking to get more from your storage building or make it even more functional? Dakota Storage Buildings offers a variety of upgrades to fit your needs. Need more space? Add a loft for overhead storage. Need some workspace? Install a workbench to help you get the job done. Looking for year-round comfort? Insulation keeps it cozy in any season. Looking for your building to outlast anything the Midwest can throw at it? Upgrade to steel siding or steel roofing. Going all in? Get the full electrical wiring for lighting and outlets. Want extra durability? Upgrade to LuxGuard flooring for a tough, easy-to-clean surface. Need easy access? Aluminum ramps make moving equipment in and out of your shed a breeze. Customize your building to fit your exact lifestyle. Order yours today. Visit dakotastorage.com to explore all of our upgrade options.